Sit down before you go in the back of this police car. I am tired of hearing your mouth. Keep talking about it. We can legally search the car because he just been arrested. It's called a search incident to arrest. So keep talking. Sit down and shut up. No, you need to be quiet. It's what you need to do.
Oh my God, I'm 19 years old.
It doesn't matter. No, you're not 19.
You have no right to yell at me.
Yes, I do. You need to be quiet.
You need to chill
He is
out.
executing his rights and the law, and he's doing his job, and you prevent him from doing that. So you need to shut up and sit down like we asked you to do, or you'll be going to jail too. So shut up.
There is no reason to yell at me.
Well, you need to be. Yes, it is, because you're an entitled little brat, and we're trying to do our job, and you hindering us from doing that.
No.
So be quiet.
Stop. But there's no reason to yell at me when I've done nothing wrong.
Keep talking.
No. There's no reason to yell at me when I've done nothing wrong. Please search my car and I have no reason to yell. No, absolutely not. Stop that.
Hey, listen, if you keep talking, you are going to go to jail for disorderly conduct. This is not...
Then fucking shoot me. Okay.
Stand up. Hello.
Hi, sorry, I'm on the phone.
That's fine. Where you all come from?
We just want to go home. Like, we didn't know. We thought he was sober. He told us he was sober. We want to go home.
It literally smells like alcohol in this car right now.
Well, it wasn't us. We literally came from suburban.
Oh, okay, you can't smell the alcohol in the car. You can't smell it.
I'm 21.
That ain't what I asked you. You can't smell it. You said you didn't know. You can't smell the alcohol the way I just walked up and smelled it. So you clearly knew he was drinking because we can smell it.
Well,
so,
I didn't know he was drinking, and he told us he was sober enough to drive us home.
What's in that
water.
cup?
It's water. It's
so you knew he had been drinking. But he told you he was sober enough to drive home. Is what he told you.
Yes. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah.
And that's what he told us, and we believed him. And I'm sorry, we were just trying to get home.
You literally just said something totally different. You said we didn't know he had been drinking. That's the first thing you said when I walked up, and I didn't even ask for that.
I'm really freaking out about it.
No need to freak out. You ain't driving.
I know, but like I just want to get home. Like he told us he could get us home.
You will be home eventually. How old is your friend in back?
You can talk to her.
Yeah. Let the one down for me. Can you let it down? Yeah.
What, Mom?
I go on that side. Hello. Hi.
I just want to get home.
Where you live at?
I'm scared.
What you scared about?
I live in Houston.
What you scared of?
I'm just scared because like my friend driving was like, oh, I'm sober. I'm fine.
Can you move that jacket right there?
I don't know what that is.
He told us he was okay to drive. I literally
swear to God. So.
Okay, put that back right there, and not keep it right there, and don't pour it out. Just keep it right there. How old are you?
21. You want my ID?
Yeah, let me get both of your IDs actually. Huh? What?
I have my credit cards.
He called for. You ain't got an ID?
I have a credit card.
You don't have an ID? You just left Suburban and you don't have an ID? You didn't need it to get in a bar?
No, they did not ID her to get in.
Oh, great. Good to know.
So I've been at
Okay. Let me get your ID. What's your name, ma'am? Huh? Spell it for me. Speak up louder for me.
SOPHIA. If you want my card, you can have it.
SOPHIA. What's your last name? When's your birthday? And the spelling of your last name is 2003, you said?
It wasn't.
Okay. Were all y'all together at Suburban? So all of y'all were together at Suburban?
Yes, we were.
Okay.
And they did not ID any of us. I mean, I'm 21.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So all y'all was drinking together?
She did not drink at Suburban, no sir.
Okay, where you drunk at? You drunk at your house? Okay. Thanks. Hey, go ahead and you can call your mom or somebody. She can come and pick you up. She can come and pick you up. Yes. Where's your mom or whoever you want to call? You can call an Uber or whoever.
Can I call Uber to come get
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. That's fine. But
can you tell my mom that so she knows, please?
Hey, mom. Can you hear me?
No, she can. That's my little sister. She can come with me, right?
No, your little sister been drinking. Your little sister about to get a citation because she been drinking. I can smell it on her too. She's back there with alcohol. So because of this, I'm gonna breathalyze her. And if she has alcohol, she's gonna get a citation. But your mom can't come pick y'all up, okay?
Can she come? Can the Uber get us?
Yes. Go ahead. All right, you told me you've been drinking and you said you were drinking at the house.
You can't give me a citation.
I physically can and I am. I legally can because you just told me you was drinking and you're 20.
At my mom's house.
It doesn't matter. You said, are you of age? Oh, yeah, you can. But you're going to give me a breath test or I'm going to cite you because you have alcohol in your system. So, you said I can't?
No, let me call my mom.
Okay, you can call your mom. So what?
You legally can't give me a citation.
Yeah, I legally can, and I can legally take you to jail for it too because you just told me you have alcohol in your system. So do you want to go to jail too? Do you want to play that game? Do you want to play it?
Sophia.
Whoa, do you want to play that game?
Sophia. I don't.
That's a yes or no question.
No, Mom. So I'm okay. You can take me out of the car. So this man.
Officer McGee.
Okay, so an officer is saying that he wants to give me a citation, but he legally can't breathalyze me.
Okay.
Right?
You have been drinking.
Yes, I have been.
Okay, and are you 21?
No, I'm
That
not.
is illegal, correct?
It is illegal.
So either
I was drinking at my mom's house with my mother.
No. You just told me you just left a bar, is what you just said, and you said you drunk at home, so I don't believe that. So I'm going to write your side. Either you can give me a breath sample or not, and if you refuse to sign it, then I'm going to take you to jail. But you're going to have a citation, either way it go. You just told me you left a bar, right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, I did, but
Okay.
Nobody, like,
So so are you refusing to give me a breath sample? Yes or no?
Your mother.
Are you?
To my mother.
No, your mama don't have anything to do with what's about to happen right now. Are you refusing to give me a breath sample? Yes or no?
Sophia,
Yes.
do it.
She literally is not.
Legally,
Are you? Yes or no?
can you please stop yelling at me for a second?
No, because I don't have time for this. Entitlement.
Okay, then breathalyze me. Go ahead and do it.
Take a deep breath. Blow. Keep blowing till I tell you to stop. Keep blowing till I tell you to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Keep blowing until I say
As hard
stop.
as I could.
Sophia, just take it.
Oh, this. Yeah, and you lied. Hold this. Hold this.
Sophia, just shut up.
Well, we can get both of them out. Yeah. Step out.
Can I have my phone or no?
Yeah, you can get your phone. Step out. Have a seat right there in front of my car on the curb.
Do I need to get in the car?
Nope. Just have a seat on the curb. Hey, Megan. Come over here and have a seat on the curb for me. You fine? Just have a seat on the curb. Alright. Okay, that's fine. I already talked to her mom. Mom's good.
Someone probably get a good roll parking lot.
See? Sit down before you go in the back of this police car. I am tired of hearing your mouth. Keep talking about it. We can legally search the car because he just been arrested. It's called a search incident to arrest. So keep talking. Sit down and shut up. No, you need to be quiet. It's what you need to do.
Oh my God, I'm 19 years old.
It doesn't matter. No, you're not 19.
You have no right to
Yes, I do. You need to be quiet.
You need to chill
He is
out.
executing his rights and the law, and he's doing his job, and you prevent him from doing that. So you need to shut up and sit down like we asked you to do, or you'll be going to jail too. So shut up.
There is no reason to yell at me.
Well, you need to be. Yes, it is, because you're an entitled little brat, and we're trying to do our job, and you hindering us from doing that.
No.
So be quiet.
Stop talking. There's no reason to yell at me when I've done nothing wrong.
Keep talking.
No.
Don't yell at me when I've done nothing wrong. These searching my car and I have no reason to yell. No, absolutely not. Fuck that.
Hey, listen, if you keep talking, you are going to go to jail for disorderly conduct. This is not.
Then fucking shoot me.
Stand up.
Oh my God, no. You're about to arrest me for what?
Disorderly conduct. I have asked you to be quiet. No. Turn around.
Oh my God.
10-4. I'm 10-15 one time.
I didn't do anything wrong. You're about to arrest me.
You out here cussing. I asked you to be quiet. You want to keep talking, playing the game? No. All right, step back here. Come on. First of all, you got anything on you that I need to know about? Anything on you that'll stick me, poke me, or cut me?
Like, I have nothing on me.
Turn around. All right, come on, let's go.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Stand up.
What are you doing to me?
Unlock my door.
What are you doing to me? I didn't do anything wrong. I really didn't. Oh my God. Are you...
Anything in the back of the car gonna belong to you. Stand up.
I have nothing on me.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Lean back.
Oh my God.
I'm recording installed in anything wrong. I know.
No. That you are fine to record. We're recording you. That's your right to record.
And I know.
So she's under arrest for disorderly conduct and possession of alcohol under the age of 21. Yeah, she's going to jail. She's going to Cobb County Jail. You can go ahead and call your Uber. You're free to go. Yep, your mama or Uber.
Can I stand up?
Yep, you can call whoever you want. You can walk home if you want to walk home. You're grown. No, we can't take you home. We got 2 people in the back of the car who's going to jail.
Oh my God, I did it wrong. I did not even do anything wrong, and there's so much fucked up shit that you can do right now. People are being murdered, and you're not even dealing with that shit right now. Okay, what is that? A recording? I don't even care. You did not read me my Miranda rights at all. And you're literally arresting me for driving in a car. And you did not read me my Miranda rights. And you said, yeah, I don't need to read you your Miranda rights. Yeah, that's what you said. And I'm arrested in the car. Like, oh my God. Do you think I'm going to beat the car?
11:45. Ace Records consent.
Please get me out of this car and put in a different car right now. Please. Just please. Let me talk to a reasonable person. After you arrested me for doing absolutely nothing, not even drunk driving. Drinking under the age, yes. But that is literally the least thing that you need to worry about. And you fucking arrested me for absolutely nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm literally the least harm that you could do. And no, I'm not even. No. Are you kidding me? And I'm in handcuffs right now.
Yes, you are.
Oh, wow. Okay. Like, this is crazy. Like, there are people that will hit you, like, and you're putting me in handcuffs. and people will hate. Are you like a new officer or something?
Oh no, I'm not, ma'am.
Obviously,
I've
seems like
been
you are.
policing a long time.
Okay, well you put me in handcuffs, and I did not even hit you or anything.
1139, code 4.
Okay.
This is ridiculous. Like I can't even. It's ridiculous.
10 4, 1153,
No,
code 4.
like I can't. Because it's just.
10 4, 1127.
I'm 19 years old and you put me in handcuffs and I didn't even hit you? Are you kidding me? Like, oh my god, like, I'm not even fucking doing drugs! Please, can I please talk to an officer? I'm not even, like, being rude at all. Excuse me, sir. There can be so many worse things in this world, and you're literally resisting me right now, and I'm not even going to, like, I never even resisted an arrest at all. And you're literally going to, like, be rude to me out of all things, and you're ignoring me, and that's fine, but and you put me in handcuffs for what? When I never even resisted any sort of arrest. And you won't even let me talk to an officer. That's so fucked up. Let me talk to an officer, please. Let me please talk to an officer. That is not okay for you to be like that. Like, I'm not even doing anything wrong at all. I have a bucket right here that I can unbuckle and leave, and I won't even do that because I respect police officers and, like, I'm Republican as fuck, and no, I can't believe you're doing this to me right now. Can you please roll down the window so I can talk to a police officer? And I know you can hear me. Wow, I can, okay. Report it all you want. Say whatever you want. Make up random shit. Okay, whatever.